We believe that we the people should look to other people and instead of judging right away, we should look to difference and try to understand why it's different. Where it comes from, we don't need to agree with it. And maybe in the end, we can say that I don't agree with this at all, but at least we try to understand and we have our conclusion in the end.
This crossroads is what makes us evolve as a person, as humans, and as an artist, as father, as a mother. And at least, if we cannot agree with everything, but at least we need to listen and to give respect to the other people's opinion.
You get so many ideas all the time from everywhere, social media, the news, you are overwhelmed with so much information.
Kind of a fast food chain information cycle, so we are constantly being fed with information and you don't have time to make your opinion sometimes. But if we deeply think about it, most of them is not information, it's just most of them is noise. So we need to settle down a little bit, look out for a deeper understanding of other people's minds and thoughts and beliefs.
In our work, a lot of the themes we choose and sentences we choose are things we really want to work on them. We are not perfect people, we don't know everything, but we truly believe in what we write in our work. So we want to use this as our own...
It's like therapy for us.
It's like therapy
sometimes.
to us. We are not perfect. We do a lot of mistakes every day. So we want to be better people. So we truly believe in these words we choose.
Our work is not meant to be oh look, motivational lettering work for you to have a positive life. Again, the thing with information, you get a lot of bad things all the time. You get on one side advertisements and on the other side all this fake news and news piling up everywhere, and people live their lives worrying about paying bills, about wars, about stressed out.
Primeiro fazemos o outline toda à volta para fechar tudo, porque imagina por alguma razão corre mal e que se não tiver as linhas não fica mal.
Porque passas em todo lado, mas ali nas linhas já não estou ali a lamber cada linha, passo assim.
We aim to give something that people could look at that and be hopeful about something.
Yes, because we believe that love is the only way to go.
Yeah, otherwise what's the meaning of our life here? What are we working and raising children for what? For paying bills when they grow up? No, we need to have fun.
Yeah, because we are growing till the moment we die. We are never in the top, we are always growing. Tomorrow will be different from today, so we are always changing. And that's what's beautiful about life. We are not the same person all these years, we are changing. We can at least try to be a better person, at least try. Have more empathy for others, because we believe that life is better when you are surrounded with love and empathy.